Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Qanitah Hafizhah from 11 Science 2. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use a food processor. Before that, I'm gonna tell you some information about food processor. Food processor is a kitchen tool that can easily chop, slice, shred, grind, and puree almost any food ingredients. It helps you to prepare your foods quickly. So now I'm gonna show you how to use it step by step. First, prepare the food processor and the food ingredients. Next, plug in the food processor to the socket. After that, attach the jug to the electric base. Make sure that the jug is tightened into place. Add the ingredients into the jug. Then close the lid firmly. Process the ingredients by pressing the button. You can press the pulse button to chop or slice the ingredients, or you can also press the slow or fast button to blend the ingredients continuously. After all of the ingredients are chopped, turn off the food processor and unplug it. Take the jug out and open the lid to take the ingredients. That's all for how to use a food processor. So now you know how to use it correctly whenever you want to prepare your foods. Don't forget to try it yourself. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.